Let's take a look at the weather now. Frost is a threat for some areas overnight, Graham.
Yes, Jeremy, most of the state looking at a fairly cold start to the day tomorrow, but if you follow the single-digit temperatures at the moment, this gives you an indication of where we're likely to see this frost along the ranges around and south of about Orange, also extending through into parts of the southern slopes. It is worth noting that Canberra's looking at a minimum of 1 degree. The record there for November is minus 1.3, so still above record levels. Now, the wind chill today in Sydney wasn't as extreme as Sunday, but it still made the day feel around 7 to 10 degrees cooler than the actual air temperature. Now, further snow fell across the Snowy Mountains today, but the totals have been lighter than the previous 24 hours. Our maximums remained well below average across the state. Wind gusts reached 106 kilometres per hour at Mount Boyce in the Blue Mountains, 100 kilometres per hour at Perisher Valley earlier today as well. Now, conditions are going to settle over the coming days. This is as a high-pressure system ridges into the state. And then as it moves off the coast on Wednesday, we'll start to see a rapid rising in temperatures. By the weekend, another low will cross the state with another burst of wet conditions forecast for most districts. Unfortunately, that includes all the currently flooded areas. We've got another cold and breezy day across the southeast, some early snow again in Victoria and Tasmania, but record heat possible in the Northern Territory, and that includes Darwin. Now, frost is possible for much of the ranges south of about Orange and onto the western slopes. We do have a generally dry and mostly sunny day, though, for the rest of the state. So in the northeast, it's going to be mostly dry and sunny, just a very isolated shower possible about parts of the tablelands, and generally light to moderate winds. We've got strong winds on the Hunter Waters, but these should be mostly offshore and in the morning. Some areas of frost about the higher and more susceptible areas of the tablelands. Should be mostly dry, that's apart from a possible shower sitting near the Victorian border. The strong winds should be mostly north of Bermagui, and they'll be more widespread south of that. Now, over the inland, a cold morning, some possible frost on the southern slopes. Partly cloudy in the east, but we've got a sunny day in the west with generally light to moderate winds. We've also got strong winds on the offshore waters in Sydney in the morning, but they'll actually ease off in the afternoon. Our lows are going to range from 8 to 13 and our tops reaching just 17 to 23 degrees. It should be a mostly sunny day with light to moderate southwest to southeasterly wind, and it's that southerly component that will keep the temperatures down. Still southerly on Wednesday, but it tends more northerly Thursday. That brings warmer conditions. Jeremy, a trough with a few showers Friday. The weekend, though, particularly Sunday, will be the wettest.
Graham, thank you. And that is the very latest from the ABC News team. From all of us, thanks for your company.